That's right. You know them, you love them, the PJ Masks. Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes are ready to face devastating enemies. In order to save your mornings. Tonight we're gonna start with Catboy, the leader. There's his signature moves are Super Cat Speed, Cat Ears, Super Cat Stripes, and Super Furballs. Shoot. Alexa, next song. We want action songs. It's time to be a hero. There we are. Next, we're gonna draw Owlette. Her signature attacks include Owl Eyes, Super Owl Wings, Owl Wing Wind, Super Owl Feathers, Owl Feather Net,
fashion to seize the day. My name is Luna Girl. I'm gonna rock the world, and the peony PJ Masks won't stop me. My name is Luna Girl.
There we are. There are the feathers. And lastly,
My name is Luna Girl.
lastly, we're gonna draw Gecko. Alexa, next song. Anyways, up next, we're drawing Gecko. His signature moves include Super Lizard Grip, Super Gecko Muscles, Super Lizard Shields, Lizard Tail Swipe. One more thing about the PJ Masks, they now have their new and improved PJ Riders. They possess the power of speed, flight, and muscle. Alexa, name the bad guys for PJ Masks. They have the fight.
According to an Alexa Answers contributor,
Here's his tail.
Romeo, Luna Girl, and Night Ninja.
There we are. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. There we are. Forgot about his tail. Sorry about that. There they are. These are the PJ Masks. Their job is to protect the city from all the villains from all the bad guys who roam around the night sky. Alexa, name all the villains of the PJ Masks.
From Disney News Us. Collect all 6 PJ Masked heroes and nighttime villains for your own adventures, including Catboy, Gecko, Owlette, Night Ninja, Luna Girl, and Romeo. Romeo, Luna become the superhero team PJ Masks when night falls in order to fight enemies and rivals such as Romeo, Luna Girl, Night Ninja, the Wolfie Kids, Matsuki, Octobella, Pharaoh Boy, Monkey Goo, Ortisha, Pirate Robot, and the Speedy Twins to keep them from ruining people's days.
Yeah. You know that. Alexa, unpause.
I can't think of a rhyme.
That's how you draw. That's how you draw the mighty PJ Masks. They're all here, and they will not stop until all the bad guys are completely destroyed. These are the heroes for PJ Masks. I'm proud of you all about to enjoy this special. Please like and box and subscribe, and let me know what fighter you want me to draw next soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.